This is a properly working Hasselblad extension tube. You see that little tab there? Matching slot on the back. See how it's lined up with the red dot? You can release it, just as it would when you take a picture, and you can recock it with your thumbnail or a coin or a little screwdriver, and it's lined up with the red dot. Unless it's lined up with the red dot, it can't be fitted onto a camera or a lens. So here it is fitting onto the camera, and you can hear it locks perfectly. You release it and unlocks. Here's one that is broken. It can't be locked into the correct position. You see the screw is not matched up to the red dot. And you can try and relock it, and it won't lock. And if you try to mount it on the camera, it won't go. It stops before it locks.